All right. Good day, class. I love you all. You are welcome to Speedysuccess Professional. You're welcome to our classroom today, and it is we're looking at formats of receipt and payment account. My name is Femi Richworld Aiyeolowo. Please, if you are watching our video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and you will see our videos regularly. This center is meant to provide the basic and the professional training for all management accounting or management science courses. Please follow our classroom. God bless you. All right, today we're starting with formats of receipt and payment. So we look at the receipt and payment of Aiyeolowo. To the debit side, we have all the receipts. Example is subscription. Members are expected to pay subscription. Donations are also part of receipt of a club. Sales of ticket of annual games or conferences are also part of receipts, and sales of dance or any other game also come as receipt. So the club could have so many activities that generate revenues for them altogether. That will move up to the payment side is electricity, annual expenses on each of the games. If they buy new tools like computer, like desktop and rest of them, new games equipment, expense of dance, cleaners wages, printing and stationery, even internet services or recharge cards, repairs and insurance payment are all on the payment side of the receipt and payment account. So let's see the whole account as it's shown. The receipt and payment account, this is how it will look like altogether. All right. Now let's go and look at the next format, which is the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. All right. Now the next format which we have here is the income and expenditure account. Very smart and very easy to do. The only challenge is that some of the items are going to be an adjustment items. We bring in the income side, we have subscription, we have donations, and the total for the period. So you need to ensure that what you are bringing here is for a particular period and not beyond. No subscription in advance altogether. Then we have donations. We have annual game, which is going to be the net income from annual game. Dance also net income. We have a total income from that. If there is a profit from trade or from the bar, we also bring the profit to this part altogether. The expenditure includes depreciation of property, plant, and equipment. Every equipment that is to stay beyond 1 year in the club as an asset started to be depreciated based on the depreciation policy of the accounting department of the club. We have the insurance expenses, we have electricity, cleaners' wages, and all the salaries. We have printings and stationery, and we have repairs. These are all of the expenditures brought down, and the difference between the total income and expenditure will either be a surplus or a deficit. If it's a deficit, it means that the expenditure is more than the income and the club is running at a very low performance. So we expect that the club should stay at surplus. Can we go ahead? The next is format of statement of affairs. Please remember, subscribe to our video. Please subscribe, like and share. And make sure that you need our services. Call 081-484-21111. If you are in Nigeria, you are not in Nigeria, add 23 plus 234 8148421111. That is 1 into 4 places. Please call us. We render accounting services. We render auditing and assurance. So We are in the management of business and consulting, and including taxation. God bless you. Let's go ahead and look at the format of statements of affairs. All right. This is the format for statement of affairs. This format is necessary if you are to prepare the statement of financial position. The statement is meant to determine what we call opening capital or accumulated fund at the beginning. So it is a statement showing all assets and all liabilities. So total of the assets less the liabilities, you will now have what we call accumulated fund at the beginning. Sometimes if you're an accountant and you're coming to a club and the club has existed for some times and there is no proper accounting, one of the information you need to gather is what are the assets used at the beginning. And if you cannot find it, what are the assets at the beginning of the year? And now you can use that to determine the accumulated fund at the beginning of that period for you to be able to prepare the statement of financial position at the end of the period. Are we together? One more time. My name is Femi Richworld. I love you all. I present accountancy professional services at the best. Please subscribe to our videos. Just click the subscribe button if you are coming for the first time or you have not subscribed at all and you are seeing our video for the first time. Subscribe. Please subscribe. I love you. Subscribe. God bless you. Let's look at the next format. All right. The last format here, which has everyone practicing accounting in a non-profit making organization to work excellently, is the statement of financial position. And this statement looks normal, like the approved statement for normal business. It used to be called balance sheet. So we call it statement of financial position. The first part is the asset side. We have the non-current asset, the asset that stayed in the club beyond a period, beyond a year. We have them as property, plant, and equipment. Sometimes we need to work them out to determine the carrying amount or the net book value, if you use the language. This may include the landed property of the club, a building of the club, plants and equipment, generator and the rest of them, computers, laptops, motor vehicle. So we have that as the first item. The second item includes intangible assets. If the club is a musical club or they have videos that are watched on iTunes or paid organizations, that value can also be added as intangible asset. Investment property, buildings that are rented to generate income, also add as non-current assets. And then we bring in current asset, which includes subscription in arrears, that is subscription that members are due to have paid and yet to be paid. Prepaid insurance is also a current asset. Cash and bank balances are current assets. So we add up, we have total asset. Move to the accumulated fund and liabilities. Like I told us before, if the normal business, we call it capital or equity and liabilities. But a club, a non-profit making organization, it is known as accumulated fund and liabilities. So we have the opening accumulated fund, which we calculated from the statement of affairs. Bring in surplus for the year. Sometimes if you have a drawing, you also bring in the drawing as a deduction. Then we have accumulated fund at closing. Take liabilities for the period. It could include current and non-current liabilities. Add up and it give you total accumulated fund and liabilities for the period. This amount must be equal with the total asset. Ladies and gentlemen, if you love our work, please subscribe to it. And if you love to donate to Speedysuccess as a way of supporting our free education on YouTube, please chat us online 08148421111 and we give you the details to pay into. God bless you. Have a nice time. My name is Femi, Richworld, Aiyeolowo, and I represent Speedysuccess Professional. Please take note the company name is Speedysuccess Professional. It's a registered company in Nigeria. Thank you. God bless you.